How can you be successful? So yes, this is going to be like success in life, overall success in life. How can you do that? There are three options, 1, 2, and 3. You need to select one option. So yes, let's get started. Just in case you choose option 1, this card actually says that in order to be successful, yes, you have to be like a stylish trendsetter. So this goes with being an influencer. Okay, so you can be an influencer. If you're not doing that, maybe you should start doing it. And this card says that you are a confident person. Also, you are very outgoing and you are a visionary. You may not be outgoing, but you may be outgoing with your abilities. If you are an introvert, you may say, okay, that does not resonate with me. But this card says you are outgoing when it comes to your abilities. So make sure that you use your abilities. Just in case you choose option number 2, this card actually says, in order to be successful, you have to learn to start from scratch. So I think you may be like at zero at a point right now. So no matter whatever it is, you need to just keep on giving it a start. Okay, so yes, you may fail a few times, you have to get back up and you need to keep on trying in order to be successful. Just in case if you chose option number 3, this card actually says that yes, you have to repeat things over and over. Like if you are doing something and it is bringing success, this card says you need to repeat it, you need to be consistent and keep on doing it over and over in order to be successful. I think by now, because this card has come up, you actually know how can you become success. You have already tasted some success, and this card says that in order to be successful, you need to constantly keep on doing it. So that is that. And it could be boring. Okay, it could get boring because success is not where you do exciting things all the time. It could get boring sometimes, and success is like a consistent effort. You have to let go something, you have to accept something in order to be successful. So that is it for today's video. I hope that this video helps you. If you want to have this reading in a more detailed manner, then please WhatsApp me on the number given on the screen. And if you are interested in learning tarot, by all means, you can just leave a comment below, and I will share with you the link to my class. And this is going to be a class where you can start doing readings. You can bring life transformation for people through your readings and earn money at the same time and get a certificate. Okay, so that's it. Yeah, and that's it for today's video. Until next time,